Yvonne Edward Sutherland was born in Hastings, Nebraska on May 16, 1938. His father would inspire him as a child to take on an interest in how things worked, so he quickly took to building his own mechanics, and geometry was his favorite subject in school. Sutherland describes himself as a visual thinker, and so he pursued the development of computer graphics. In 1955, he attended Carnegie Institute of Technology with a full scholarship, and there he earned his bachelor's in electrical engineering 4 years later. From there, he moved on to get his Master's of Science degree from the California Institute of Technology in 1960, and then his Doctor of Philosophy in Electrical Engineering from MIT in 1963. At MIT, under the tutelage of Claude Shannon, Sutherland's thesis resulted in Sketchpad, a man-made graphical communication system which described the first GUI. Sketchpad offered a means for creation of graphic images directly on the display without requiring coding. It features the ability to warp, rotate, zoom, and even 3D sketch. His work influenced much of the development of the GUI for years to come. After MIT, Sutherland was chosen by Licklider as his replacement in ARPA. He left the military scene in 1968 to go to the University of Utah, where he created the first virtual reality headgear, which he and his helper student Bob Sproul named the Sword of Damocles. In this same year, Sutherland co-founds his company Evans and Sutherland with his friend David C. Evans. In 1974, Sutherland moves on to California Institute of Technology, where he founds the computer science department. 2 years later, he begins to work for the RAND Corporation as well. In this time, he works with colleague professor Carver Mead on integrated circuit design, making it an official field of academic study. This paves the way for colleges to produce a new generation of IC engineers. In 1980, Sutherland helps found the consulting firm Sproul and Associates and works as VP and technical director, which gets bought out by Sun Microsystems. Today, Sutherland and his wife Marley Ronkin are leading the research in asynchronous systems at Portland State University.